Good morning, everyone. We'll start by making the HTML page. We can see the terminal that built the page instantly concerning the page home.page.html. We will immediately change the title and we will write tasks. Between the ion content tags, we will insert an ion list tag. And inside, we will put ion list header. So ion list header to insert my tasks. Underneath, we will insert an ion cart. We will also create a class called tasks to insert underneath an ion checkbox followed by an h4 tag. We will put a task title class. We will also put the name of the task, which will be, for example, do the dishes. And underneath, we will put a button with ion button. We will allow it to be clicked. We will put the fill attribute, which allows us to remove the background with the color danger, and direct style for the positioning with a float right. Finally, a trash icon to have a trash style icon. Below we will introduce a ion footer, which will be the bottom of the page, and inside we will put an ion item, which will be the parent tag of ion input, or we will insert the addition of a new task with an insertion button ion input. We will put a placeholder at first. We will tell him add a new task here. And just below we will put the button that will allow us to insert the new task on which we will put a rounded shape and also a primary color. So color primary. And finally, we will add an add icon, add, to add all the new tasks. So name, add, simply. So ajouter. We already look at our first result, and we can see here all our IONIC tag. We can check and uncheck a task. Now we are going to create buttons to add in console tags. So with the ion button tags, which will be parent of the two ion button child tags, the first one we are going to customize. So here is the first one with a primary color. We are also going to insert an icon. So for the icons, I invite you to consult the documentation of the official site, ionicframework.com docs v3. So here we are on the official site. In components, you can go to overview, and via overview, you have icons. And here you have the boot code according to what you want. And you have directly the information and the insertions. It's very explicit and very well provided. So we come back to our HTML page with our button concerning the icons. We don't forget to add a slot hand for its position. Here is the icon that I'm going to use. So it's called add circle. So for add and the second button, we copy and paste. We make the modifications with the color, style, danger, and the name of the icon is backspace for cancel. We modify and we put cancel. And here is the result. We observe well our two buttons on our page. So that's it for our first project video. I will see you in the next video. See you soon!